Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to open up a file from command prompt in Windows 10 or 11. So first of all, open up command prompt. Now you have to find the file you want to open from command prompt. For me, I want to open this file which is on my desktop. So I'll open File Explorer, then go to C, then Users, then My User, then I will go into Desktop. Now I will click on the top and copy the path. This is the path where my file is stored ABC. So I'll go into command prompt now and just paste the path. Now after that I have to put in the file name. So I'll put in a backslash, then put in the file name which is ABC. But we are not done yet. We have to put in the format too. So we'll click on properties of the file and see the type of file. This is in PNG format, so I have to type in .png as well. Now I have to press enter and it will open up my file. And that's how you open up a file from just command prompt. If you guys like my video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.